Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery, and I'm going to use some Chantilly lace in the bottom of a pan and then add some colors on top of it and shovel those colors onto my canvas, which is a 14 by 14 inch. The colors are from Colourarte mostly. I think I said this was Chantilly lace. I'm not sure. I said it was a Prizm pour. This is Chrysacola. And I'm going to try and be a little creative with how I put these down, but I'm not sure about anything right yet. This is Dancing Fuchsia. And you can see I've taken the tops off my bottles. This is a little Miami Magenta, which is not coming out very well right now. Better now. I think I'm just going to stick with my favorite colors. I've got some Water Lily. And my attempt, I was watching Sheely and I want to do a pleat. I don't know if I can, but I'm going to try. This is African Violet. It's a Prizm pour. The colors will be listed underneath the video. Obviously, I've not put any art fluid in this particular color, and the others all have it. So I'm going to use some orange. Try not to make too big of a mess. I've got yellow. Should I use it? Tuscan Sun. The orange is Orange Crush. It's a Prizm pour. So is the Tuscan Sun. I'll have to screw my bottle tops back on later. This is Holly Berry. This is a purely pigment. I've got another purely pigment, which is Vibrant Aqua. And I've got Blue Flame, which I don't think I need to pour out of the bottle, but I think I wouldn't mind having a squeeze bottle top in place. Alright, so my biggest problem might be to knock over a bottle that I haven't put the top back on well, so I'm going to have to be really careful. In my hand I've got Frostbite, which I wasn't going to use for a moment, but it's in my hand. That was the Dancing Fuchsia again. Now it's going to take me a minute to put some color, to put a base layer on. I just put that paint down. Okay. I'd kind of like a wider scoop, and I could have used a dustpan, but this is what I've got right now. Hopefully something will come of it. I'm going to move that right over there. Just learning how to do this. I feel like switching it around to the other side. I think I've got more paint than I know what to do with. So I'll just keep pouring it. If I get cooler marks than pleats, I'm okay with that too. I have some white mixed up that's Vivid Intense White, which I happen to be a big fan of lately. Don't ask me what I'm doing, I have no idea. Alright, so I need something to catch some paint, and I'm not prepared for that. I guess I could be, if I had to be. No, bigger than that. Okay, I think I want black as well as white. I know I wanted some silver. Might as well get as funky as possible. I suppose I could actually swipe something out. What do I got? I don't want to use the orange. I'm not sure the purple's a good idea either. No, that's got to go. That turned brown pretty quick. That's going in the bucket as well. So, I've got bubbles and I can see them, so they've got to go. And I'm really still stuck on the idea of putting some cell activator in there. So I guess I'm going to do that. It's too heavy. Okay, we're just going to go for this. No idea what I'm going to get. It was fun trying though. I'm not sure it's still moving. I guess it's still moving. Cool. Gives a very different effect than normal. I'm pretty sure I'm going to try and put some of that paint back on this canvas. Not sure what to say about this. I know I need to tip it one more time. Where are my tweezers? There they are. I'm sure there's plenty of paint on that turntable. Come on, roll down. It's actually pretty cool. Except for the muck, but most of it's going to be on the edge. And I think that's that. I don't know if you'd call it Pleat satisfaction, but it's pretty cool. And I'm going to hit it with the torch real quick, because I imagine there might be some bubbles. Next time I do it, I'll do it a little differently. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linked here, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.